Hi guys, today I'm going to make carrot juice with beetroot. So this is my carrot. I already washed and cut up and clean with my vinegar. And this is my beetroot. I wash and clean and cut up also. So in my carrot juice today I have sweet milk, I have almond essence, vanilla essence, I have my nutmeg here, and I'm going to use a dragon stout. This is from Jamaica. And my water. Okay, this is the last batch I have to do. There's no beetroot in this one, so now I get everything away. Now what I'm gonna do, my water. Guys, I'm just squeezing out the pulse, trying to get all the juice out of it. If you ever want to drink the pulse, you can cook the carrots before and the beetroot before you blend it. Then you could drink everything. But I don't want to drink the pulse. I need to have it raw. I need to have the carrots and beetroot raw, so that's why I'm doing it like this. It's not hard to do. Huh? It's not messy. It's not hard. It's very easy to do. So guys, you can do this while cooking, or you can do it even the night before. You can do it on a Saturday night. If you think you're gonna have so much to do on a Sunday when you cook, when you're making supper, especially people who don't used to been doing it like this. If you're not a Jamaican who do it like this every week, because when I was small, I used to do this every Sunday. I have to grate a coconut. I have to grate a beetroot and carrot. I have to grate a coconut for the rice and peas, and we have to do it every Sunday. Okay, so okay guys, I'm almost finished now. I'm just squeezing out the last portion from the basin, and I'm just gonna strain it again, and then after I sweeten, I'll put my milk and my stuff inside. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my hands and come back again.
Okay.
So okay now guys, I'm gonna do it on second strain, just to make sure I have no pulse inside or no trash inside. So okay guys, now I'm gonna sweeten my beetroot and carrot juice. Oh, I had a spoon there before, it's okay. So now guys, I'm gonna do my nutmeg first and have everything ready. So okay guys, this is nutmeg. You can get it at the West Indian store. You can go to Bulk Barn and you can get it there. So now I'm gonna put in my vanilla. I use vanilla essence. I think that is nice. That's like a teaspoon of vanilla. I love to use almond essence also. I put almond essence in everything I drink. Another teaspoon. Now I'm gonna put in my nutmeg. Like a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Put away like this. I don't like to have my counter crowded. So now I'm gonna use my condensed milk, my sweetened milk.
Wow, that's pretty milky.
Yeah.
And creamy at the same time.
Mm-hmm. So this is what you're gonna use to sweeten your drink. And guys, if you don't want to use condensed milk, you can use a lemon and sugar, or lemon and honey, and you sweeten it just the same way. But today I just feel like I want to drink it like this. That is why I'm use the condensed milk. I just feel to put a dragon and stuff inside and use my condensed milk. But differently, you don't have to use a condensed milk. You can put a lemon, you can put honey, you can put a teaspoon of sugar. You don't have to drink it too sweet, because sometimes I do it, I don't put no sugar, I don't sweeten it at all, I just drink it straight. Especially sometime in the morning when I make my beetroot drink, I just blend the beetroot and I just drink it like that. I don't add no sugar, no nothing to it. And guys, when you're sweetening this, you just sweeten to your taste. You just put it to your own taste. Okay guys, I'm putting in my dragon now. I'm just gonna put a little bit sweetening just to get everything out of this can, of this sweet milk. And I'm gonna add it. I remember when we were back home and on Sunday evening time, we have special Sundays we make it with the dragon. Not every week we will get it with dragon. That's like at Christmas time or holiday time, Easter time. She would buy a dragon and when I grate her the carrots and the beetroot, she will, and she's sweetening it, because I would always be grating it and squeezing it, and my aunt would always sweeten it. And you will see she take out a dragon from somewhere. You don't know where she have it hide, because she never want her husband to know she drinking dragon. So she always have the dragon hide somewhere to put in the carrot juice when she sweeten it. Okay guys, so I think that's it. And you're gonna sweeten your carrot juice. Then you're gonna throw it in your jug, in your drinks jug, and you put it in the fridge. By you finish cooking, your drinks will be cool and nice and ready to drink. So this is how I make my carrot juice, guys. You guys, I would like you guys to share, give me a thumbs up, and touch the notification bell so I can have more, you can know when I upload more videos. Maybe once a week. I'm gonna start by now. Once a week I upload videos. Maybe after I'll do more than once. So this is my carrot juice, guys. Well rich and nice. And I'll be having it later with I'm gonna make some curry chicken and rice for supper today. Okay guys, thank you for watching. And if it's your first time stopping by listening to my blog, you can always stop by and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Please subscribe, please, so my videos could always be there. Okay, thank you and have a great day. Love you.